Here's one of the tobacco plants mixed with a celery plant. The dirt came out of the greenhouse, and one of the plants went to seed last year, and I didn't want to pull it out. I thought I would see if the tobacco plant would take over the celery plant. This one looks pretty good. I don't remember where it came out of, but it doesn't matter. It came out good, and then these were the ones that came out of that little pot that had 1,000 little tobacco seeds in it, 1,000 little tobacco plants. If you saw my last video on tobacco, or one of my videos on tobacco has that flowers. It's very short, a few seconds long. But anyway, these, when I took them apart, they kind of didn't feel good for a while. And they're just starting to come around. They'll do okay. I think at least one or two will do okay, 3 maybe. This one I transplanted. It's a little bit slower. It would be the biggest one, but it slowed down because I transplanted it. And this one, it just took off. And I'm not sure what to do with that one. It was just a stray. I think everything was a stray this year. Anyway, let's see what I get.